Here's Jada cruising. She's trying to negotiate getting over to the coffee table. Yeah? Working it out? Whoops. Almost. Almost, sweetie. You got it. Whoops. Whoops. Good recovery. Good recovery. Come on, you can do it. Oh, you want to sit down now because you're tired. Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. Good job, Jada. Good job. Good job. Well done. Oh, you got to the coffee table after all. Take a break. Moving on to something else. Like a book. Books are good. And on to the next thing. Oh, Jada, you're so strong. Whoa. That thing's pretty heavy. Oh.